Have you ever wondered why pythons are some of the most captivating and misunderstood creatures on our planet? Let's unravel the mystery of these serpentine wonders together. Pythons, with their intricate patterns and immense size, are a marvel of nature. They belong to the family Pythonidae and are among the largest snakes in the world. Some species, like the reticulated python, can grow to be more than 25 feet long. Imagine that. A snake longer than a pickup truck. One of the most fascinating aspects of pythons is their method of hunting. Unlike many other snakes, pythons are constrictors. They coil their powerful bodies around their prey, squeezing until the unfortunate creature can no longer breathe. It's not venom that kills their meal, but the unyielding pressure of a python's embrace. And what about their dietary habits? Pythons are carnivorous, and they have been known to eat everything from rodents to antelopes, and in some rare instances, even humans. They swallow their meal whole, their jaws capable of expanding to accommodate their large prey. But don't let their fearsome reputation fool you. Pythons are not typically aggressive towards humans unless provoked or threatened. In fact, many species of python are kept as pets around the world. They're known for being docile and relatively easy to care for as long as you can meet their specific habitat and dietary needs. Pythons are also remarkable for their reproductive process. Female pythons lay eggs and coil around them to keep them warm, a behavior known as brooding. This is unlike many other snake species, which abandon their eggs after laying them. To recap, pythons are a fascinating species with unique characteristics. They are among the largest snakes in the world, known for their constricting hunting method and diverse diet. While they can be intimidating, they are usually not a threat to humans unless provoked. Pythons are also unique in their reproductive behavior, with females actively caring for their eggs. Despite their often fearsome reputation, these magnificent creatures play a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. They are a testament to the diversity and complexity of life on Earth. So the next time you see a python, whether in a zoo, a pet store, or in the wild, take a moment to appreciate these incredible serpentine wonders.